Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.